How you doing? Dave Baronelli with MarineMax Boston, and today I'm going to take you on a quick tour of this 2025 Azimut 50 Fly. In 2025, we decided to do caterpillars instead of bobbles in this boat. This boat, of course, has your hydraulic swim platform for your tender. It's got your traditional Azimut overhang, so plenty of sun coverage here in the cockpit with the U-shaped seating. A full marble table, so beautiful look, no maintenance. Of course, underneath this seat here is going to be your crew quarters. So there's going to be a head with a shower, air conditioning, and TV down there. As we enter the boat, you'll see on the starboard side, we've got our traditional U-shaped seating, high-low coffee table. This does fold out. And behind that middle piece is a innerspring mattress with a fold-out bed, so you can sleep another two here. Port side, we've got a nice triple-wide seat here. We have a electric TV that pops up here with Bose surround sound. Of course, on all Azimuts, we do continue to do all of our nice china, all Azimut branded. As we step up into the boat, you'll notice that there's just two steps up, and here in the galley, it's a very nice open feel for entertaining purposes. You do have double fridge drawers here. Of course, all Miele appliances. You've got your induction here. You've got your Miele microwave there. Of course, sink. Plenty of storage in this boat. Port side, you do have a window that's power, so this window does open. We do have our privacy curtains on now. And on the starboard side at the helm, that is a manual window, but you can open those for great cross ventilation. At the helm, we've got, of course, a beautiful acrylic dash with our Ray Marine electronics package. Boat is, of course, equipped with a gyro in it, and you'll see everything here is all backlit. Really nice helm, really great visibility. As we come down into the staterooms, like on all 50s, great option here. You do have your washer dryer as well as a refrigerator. Of course, anywhere we can put storage, we do. As we go forward, we'll go into the VIP stateroom. And in here, you'll see this is a great stateroom. Again, great storage. Nice sized bed, plenty of lighting on the side. You've got hanging closets, port and starboard. You do have your own TV, both soundbar in here. And here is going to be your day head as you come down. So you do have an entry there. And you have an entry here from this stateroom as well. Here on the starboard side is going to be your bunk room. So you've got over-under bunks, TVs for both bunks, and a big full-length closet as well too in there. As we come to the back, this is really the masterpiece of the boat. It's going to be your master stateroom. Of course, it's going to be full beam, plenty of headroom as you can tell here. You do have a full queen-size mattress here, storage under, both whole-side windows for a lot of natural light, hanging closet, and of course your TV with both surround sound. And as you come in here, I'll show you the master head. And you can go ahead and take a peek in there. This is a fly bridge, so of course there is an upper station with the full fly, with the grill, another refrigerator, and we'll have another video of that for you. For more questions on this 2025 50 Azimut, please call me, Dave Baronelli, at 401-569-3874 or visit us at MarineMax.com. Thanks again.